Rahim. Hello, my dear viewers. Today, I want to share with you a surprise video how you can install MS Office setup into your system. Uh, Watch video with me. I guide you step by step how you can install MS Office setup in your PC. Let's see. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Let it show you when pop it take some time. Show a message. Please wait while setup prepare the necessary file. It prepare file for the setup. So keep wait. I accept the term of the agreement. Check it and continue. After that, it show two options. You install now and customize. What is customize? It means you want to minimize the installation setup. You see here, it will take 2.23 GB memory of your storage device. When you minimize it and the memory automatically decrease, it will take less memory when you minimize it. So I want to minimize it. How you can minimize it? It not available. After that, Microsoft Excel it for my need. Microsoft not available. Not available. After that, not available. And you can see the changes here. 1.8 point decrease it from 2.23 GB. Not available. After this, not available. You minimize it for your own purpose. How do you need? You can minimize it. And the method is same for minimization. You can see here total space required on drive 1.44 GB. Minimize from 2.23 GB. It will take some time. After that, you can see here installation is start. You can see here. Now you can see here the installation is completed. Microsoft Word 2010. You see here Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, Microsoft Office Manager. You see here all the application here. And now you can share it on your desktop. The method is it. Click on left click and drag to your desktop. Yes, you see here. It want some instruction from you. Store and share your documents online. Get free product update, help and training. Continue online. No. Close it. It's okay. And close it. You can see here Microsoft Word 2010 and Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, and also you can search here, yeah, extend it Microsoft 2010, Microsoft Excel 2010. You can see here. I want to check it. Yes, the process is successfully completed, and you need don't make change. Click on it and then OK, and now you can see you can use for your purpose. I am type here some words. Nakib scales. Yes, you can see. You can see the application is okay. That's okay. Now I want to check Microsoft Excel. You can see here. Type here some words. Now you can use for your own purposes. Thank you.